So the first thing that you'll see is that I have a Sharpie and I have a pencil here. You can use a pencil first or you can use a marker first. It's up to you. I also have a placemat underneath my paper because I'm going right in with Sharpie first and I don't want to accidentally get Sharpie on my tabletop. We're going to start by drawing the clouds that are going to be underneath the happy rainbow. To draw a cloud, it's very easy. We start with 1, 2, 3 bumps, and then underneath those bumps, we want 3 more bumps that are going the opposite direction, and then 1 curved line on the side and another curved line on the side to connect. Now, let's leave a little space in between our clouds and repeat those steps one more time. Remember, 3 bumps, 1, 2, 3 on top, 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, and then 2 curved bumps on the side. And there we have our 2 clouds. Now, let's draw the arch of the rainbow. That's that curved line that is the shape of a rainbow. It's called an arch. Now, I'm going to put a tiny dot at the top middle of my paper. That's going to help me make my curves bend all the same way. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to put 2 dots on top of the clouds because that's also going to help me make sure that my lines all look very similar and start and stop at the same spot. And there we have the top part of the rainbow. Now let's do the same thing on the bottom for the bottom part of the rainbow arch. Another curved line to connect, and there we have our really big rainbow. But we're missing all those lines inside the rainbow for all the different colors. I'm going to go to the middle of my arch and put a little dot one more time, and I'm going to start separating this arch into different sections. Each section is going to be a different color because remember, the rainbow has many colors. So there's 2 sections. Now I'm going to find the middle of the top section, put a dot, and then draw a curve that goes down. Try your best to make sure your curves are all the same bend. All your curves have the same kind of bend to them. Put another dot, curve your line on one side, and then curve your line on the other. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 sections and our rainbow has 6 colors. So I'm going to put 1 more section here, a dot, and then some more curved lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So we need 1 more. Let's just draw our last section right there on the bottom, and there we have our 6 sections. All right, now what we're going to do is draw the happy little rainbow face. We're going to start with the eyes. You could make your eyes up at the top, you could make your eyes down at the bottom. I'm going to start somewhere in the middle, and I'm going to draw a curved line that almost looks like an upside down smile or like a little frowny face. But our rainbow is not going to be frowning, it's going to be a happy rainbow. These eyes are going to be closed and I'm going to be adding eyelashes. You can add eyelashes if you want to, or you can leave them off. It's your choice. You are the artist. There's my happy little rainbow face. Now, let's get to coloring. Now, boys and girls, you can use any kind of coloring materials that you want to color your rainbow. I used a little bit of marker to outline, and then I colored most of my spaces in with crayons. Then I went back in and started making dots with my markers. It's totally up to you. Just make sure you remember that the rainbow has a certain order for its colors. Red on top, orange, yellow, green, blue, and the last color at the bottom is violet or purple. Have fun!